In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear wheel hub assembly on this 2022 Nissan Sentra, but this also works for other cars and models. In return, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow my other social media platforms. I will also show you the exact noise this part makes when it's worn out and needs replacing, since this is a very common repair, so stay tuned. You know you need new wheel bearings when you hear a humming sound while driving. Both a bad wheel bearing and a worn out tire can create the same humming sound, so you'll have to raise the suspected wheel in the air to determine which part needs replacing, the worn out tire or the bearing. In this case, the worn out bearing turned out to be the problem.
Es este mero.
So this wheel bearing will make a sound when it's worn out and needs replacing. Now let me show you the part I will be replacing in this video. And before you ask me where did I buy it and for how much, I want to say this is an original OEM Nissan part that I ordered online. So let me show you how to install it. Well, obviously the first thing that needs to be done is to remove the wheel and raise the tire in the air. Here the technician is removing the bolts to the brake calipers because this is the first part that has to come off. And like I said before, this is a 2022 Nissan Sentra, but this procedure is very similar to other cars and this will also work for other cars. Here I recommend you to tie down the brake calipers to the suspension so that it doesn't fall down. And as the guy here is saying, this noise is not normal, this noise shouldn't be present. So here he is removing the 4 bolts holding the hub assembly in place, and here you will need some quote-unquote elbow grease because these are big bolts and you need some strength, especially if they are rusted out on your car. Fortunately, they are not on my car. So here he is using a chisel to remove the stuck wheel bearing. And this is the part that was making the humming sound while driving, so now it's time to install the new one. So from now on, it's pretty straightforward. Just install everything back in reverse order. You'll just need some quote-unquote elbow grease when installing the 4 bolts of the wheel bearing.
Sí, pero para estas tuercas no lo ocupo. No es de... son
O es más grande.
tuercas mamalonas. Ahí queda. ¿Qué hace el pedo? Esto no se tienen que sacar ni apretar ni aflojar el caliper, así como está. Si no se necesita mover, no se mueve para nada. El amortiguador es el que empezó como que a liquear ya aceite. Se ve tirando poco a poco. Pues ya no va a amortiguar bien.
And that squeaking sound, that's what you want to hear when tightening bolts like this, so that they never come off.
Se le levanta de aquí atrásito así con un gato chiquito poquito, que queda a nivel. Ya donde topa, levante aquí así, y con otro gato se mete por atrás, y ya nomás se va a levantar de aquí el peso de la llanta, de la suspensión. Y ya nomás se saca la llanta, se baja y ya queda así, con dos gatos chiquitos. El frame es el que sostiene, es el más macizo. No en la pestaña, atrás hay una laminita que une todo, de ahí se levanta con uno de estos. Se le pone aquí así. Sensor. Está.
And finally, this wraps it up. Just install the wheel back in place, and this covers everything about how to replace a bad wheel hub assembly on any car, really. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell button. And here's a before and after.